Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Siska Suprihatin, NPM 244111094, from Management Class 24C. I am a student from the Indonesian Technocrat University, and here I will explain material of cost of goods sold. Before discussing how to calculate the basic sales price, you need to know the concept in general first. So, cost of goods sold is the total expenditure and expenses incurred to product, item, or service for a business entity. This includes production costs, import costs, assembly or packaging, service costs, and so on. In a business context, cost of goods sold is an important metric that helps you calculate gross profit and gross margin. To determine the basic sales price correctly, you need to take into account all the components involved, from production costs to operational costs. One way to calculate the cost of goods sold is to add gross profit to revenue. Then, to get the gross margin, the gross profit is divided by the sales revenue. Here is the general formula. One more thing, it is important to remember that gross profit and cost of goods sold are inversely related. So, the greater the value of the cost of goods sold, the smaller the gross profit earned by the business entity. Component of sales Component of cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is an important value in the financial report of a business entity. This is obtained from the calculation of various components in a production process and the operation of a business entity. Components include cost of goods sold. The cost of goods sold includes a number of components, opening opening stock, purchasing stock, and ending stock. The following is a list and brief explanation. Components not include cost of goods sold. Once again, it is important to remember that in the process of calculating the cost of goods sold, not all elements involved in production activity are included in the calculation. Some components that are excluded are non-operational costs and administrative costs. To find out the cost of goods sold, you can do the calculation correctly, so the point and explanation below will help your understanding. The first step in calculating the cost of goods sold is to determine the net sales value. You can use the formula and see an example. After knowing how much net sales are, the next step is to calculate net purchase. You can use the formula and example. Next, calculations are carried out to find out the inventory value of the item. After knowing the ending inventory value and total inventory, the final step is to calculate COGS. You can use one of the following two formula. Knowing how to calculate cost of goods sold is an obligation for business actor because this helps determine the selling price of a product. By, by understanding this process, you can manage your business more effectively and get profitable sales results. Calculation the cost of goods sold is not only important for evaluation the financial health of a business entity, but also for determining the correct selling price of product. With a good understanding of the choice concept and how to calculate it, you can optimize your business entity profit more efficiently. That's all the material I can explain. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.